Krishna, Hey Krishna, Hey Krishna, तेरी कृपा के सहारे तर जाना चाहते हैं जगरूपी सागर से। हे कृष्णा तुम माधव हो हमारे।
So happy today to see the great religious fervor that is overflowing here with the blessings of Puja Swamiji. All of you are eagerly waiting to welcome Lord Venkateshwara to this mandir to bless not only this community but the whole America. Wherever there is incessant love, unconditional love, I am always available. That's what made him to come all the way to America from Bharat.
मेरो मन हरि चरणन में अटको बन के जोगन।
श्रीरंगाचरण सेवारे मो मन।
हे नाथ, मैं संसार रूपी अथाह कूप में पड़ा हुआ हूँ जो मोहांधकार से व्याप्त है एवं विषयों की ज्वाला से संतप्त है। हे गोविंद, हे दामोदर, हे माधव, मुझे अपने हाथ का सहारा दीजिए।
Very serious.
Tell me, doctor, what is it?
I have absolutely no idea. Something is very serious. What is the value of my liberation if my beloved is in pain? If millions of birds in hell can remove one moment of his suffering, then let those birds come gladly.
This is Vidyaji from Hyderabad. Maharaji said Atma Nivedanam, referring to Navda Bhakti. What is Atma Nivedanam?
Atma Nivedanam is another name for Atma Samarpan. To offer your Atma to the Lord. The Atma in the materially conditioned state is tied to the mind. So, from a spiritual perspective, you cannot surrender to God unless you surrender your mind to God. If you want to offer your Atma to the Lord, you have to offer your mind to the Lord. And when the mind is offered, the Atma Samarpan is automatic.
Happy birthday to you, Radha Krishna.
कृष्णा दया ऐसी करो हम पे जग जाना चाहते हैं अंधकार की चादर से हे कृष्णा तेरी कृपा के सहारे तर जाना चाहते हैं जग रूपी सागर से
So, Nachiketa's question is very subtle. To answer it, that what happens to the soul after death, a lot of related questions will need to be answered. Does the soul go somewhere? If it does, what determines its future destination? Since when has this going and coming been happening? How will this going and coming come to an end? And when this traveling on and on, life after life finally ends, where will the soul go? So, Yamaraj realizes that he will need to illumine his disciple on all these points. On one side, he is delighted to receive this question, but he is not going to play it easy. He wants to test his disciple. You see, the Guru's job is also to test the disciple.